Hey guys, do you guys remember Virtual Boy on the Nintendo? Well, I'm going to teach you guys how to get this Virtual Boy on the PC, and let's do it. So the very first thing, go to EMULATOR.com. All these are going to be in the description. Go to the first one, Virtual SN61, sorry. Download that. When in doubt, make sure you download ZenZip at the same time, you guys. While you're waiting, double click on the icon. So double click, extract zip here, and then see the M2 icons. Get rid of this one. Say goodbye, and then double click on the virtual. Make sure you get all these. Make sure you double click on the virtual boy. Once you've done that, download wherever games you want. I don't know where you guys are finding, but I'm gonna go play some. Let's see, what game should I play? We're gonna play Mario Land. You guys can make it bigger if you guys like. So that's how you guys do it. So let's go play the game time. So this is the gameplay, you guys. I am playing it right now. So you guys know it works, everything like that. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Guys, do give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye.